just had the traditional garage door that had a normal opener on it, went up slow, came down slow, and broke often. It goes up and down very, very fast and lasts, and I can't remember how many hundreds of thousands of ups and downs, which was very important to us because we write about 100 repair orders a day. Those doors go up and down 300 or 400 times a day. They were very attentive and helped with the setup and training and gave very, very good explanations of what the door was and its capability. The doors go up, they're not sitting down when customers are trying to come in or get out of our facility, and they're happier, we're happier, they just work. The bottom line is you want a garage door that goes up and down as fast as it can and works all the time, and that's what we have now.